Hey auction fans, we're in Salem, Virginia today, and we're so proud to be entrusted with the liquidation of Blue Ridge Diesel Injection here in Salem. Blue Ridge Diesel Injection has been a stalwart company here in Salem for many, many generations, and they are closing their doors and entrusted us with the liquidation of their inventory, including diesel injection test benches, vehicles, forklifts, shop machinery, tools, and so much more. Let's go take a look. One of the feature items in this entire auction is this amazing 2012 International TerraStar work truck. It's got a 6.4 liter V8 engine in it. It has just a shade over 86,000 miles and a 6-ton rated crane on the back. It's been kept in the garage, inside, and used sparingly over the few years that they've had it here. It's an amazing work vehicle, probably about a $45,000 to $50,000 value. So there you have it, auction fans, an amazing industrial commercial auction right here in Salem, Virginia. The preview for this auction, the open house, is July 1st from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and it will start to close on July the 6th at 6 p.m. You can see all of the items and place your bids at farmer-auctions.com.